Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So with the wedding season here, I wanted to come up with something different. So I created this side Dutch reverse braid that looks unique yet can also be paired with an Indian outfit. So let's get started. So I'm going to use my partial wig and quickly just clip it in. I'm going to begin by taking a side parting like this. Divide that into 3 equal halves. Now take the left section under the middle section and then take the right section under the middle section. Now part a section from the back and add that to the middle section and take the left section under it. And then the right section under the middle section. Again take the left section under the middle section and add a section from the back to the middle section. This is a Dutch braid where you only add sections from one side to the middle section and always braid under. Do this 3 to 4 times and then tie the ends with a rubber band. Part a small section of hair out as we'll curl this later on. Now secure the rest of the hair with a rubber band again. Divide that into 3 equal halves. Take the left side under the middle section and then take the right side under the middle section. Keep cleaning your hair with your hands. Take the left section under the middle section and then take the right section under the middle section. Keep doing this and you'll get a really chunky reverse braid. So this is a Dutch braid that moves into a reverse braid. And this is super easy. Instead of taking it over like you would for a regular braid, here you take it under the middle section. Keep doing this all the way till the end. Secure the ends with a rubber band. Now go in and pull on the braid to make it look more voluminous. Pull on just the ends gently to give it a fuller look. I'm also going to use these beautiful hairpins to add some bling into the braid to go with the whole festive look. I'm going to roll just a few in the opening of the braid. And that's how it looks. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel by hitting on this round button right here on the screen, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye!